Hello friends, in this video, I am going to let you know how to add a location to your Snapchat. I'm going to show you the very easiest way to do that. So, let's get started. What you have to do is simply open Snapchat on your phone. Once it opens, you have to click a picture right here. Then what you have to do is simply click on the sticker options from here. Here, you will find a variety of stickers and other different options on the top. Like mentions, sounds, locations, topics, questions, and polls, simply click over location and make sure your location on your phone is turned on. Otherwise, you are not going to find any location options here. When you get the location, you can very easily fix it on the picture where you want. And then again, go to stickers and make your snap more interesting by adding more stickers to it. Set the sticker in a proper place where it looks much more graceful. Then save your picture. So, this is how simply you can add the location to your snap. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.